Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel tab, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, we're gonna need to turn off the device. Once it's off, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now, if nothing shows up on the screen, I'm just going to let go of the two keys and start holding them again. There we go. So, we have our bootloader right now visible. So, using your volume keys, which you can see, you see the arrows. You want to navigate till you see a recovery mode right here, like this, and then confirm it using your power button. Next thing you'll see is Android with no commands, so while holding power button, press volume up, and this will then take us to the recovery mode. Now in here, you'll again be using volume buttons to navigate up or down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Restart or Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us back to previous page. Enter Fastboot Mode, which is a dedicated fastboot mode. The first page that we've seen after turning off the device could also be classified as fastboot mode, as it was named so at the bottom somewhere here. Then we have Apply Updates from ADB or SD card, Wipe Data or Mount System, View Logs, Run Tests, and Power Off the device. So there we go, those are all the options. Now I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, and this takes me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.